So this guy asked me to recommend a PC under 1 lakh, which I'm going to assume it as a gaming PC. It's just decent for this budget. Let's get in the video. As a budget is tight, let's go with the RTX 5060 as a graphics card. Also there is an option RX 9060 XT, but I would like to go with this. The price of this is like 31k in the offline stores, but let's round off and put it 31k. And the next thing is, of course, processor. The processor is AMD Ryzen 7000 series, which is Ryzen 5 7600X. It supports DDR5, 6 cores, and everything you will need in a budget PC. And the motherboard is Asus motherboard. You can check other motherboard if you want, but this is better, I guess. Just make sure supports everything. And the RAM is, of course, 16 GB DDR5. And the power supply, for power supply, we'll go with the Cooler Master bronze rating. Just make sure it has bronze rating, and then see that there is a motherboard pin, 2 CPU pin, and make sure it has PCIe pin 6 plus 2 or 8. We need an 8 pin, like if you see the 5060, okay, there is an 8 pin here. Yeah, see right there. There's an 8 pin. Just make sure your PSU you are choosing as that, okay? For SSD, let's go with Samsung SSD 990 O plus 1 TB. Of course, there are many options, and the cooler we go with Corsair, and it's a decent cooler which is not very budget friendly, but for aesthetics it's better, I guess. Yeah, it's your wish, but I'll choose this if I want to. Okay. Then the next thing is, of course, the cabinet. Everything I choose has one defect or one advantage or one disadvantage. See this Zebronics, this is perfect, I guess, for this budget. If you think it's really bad, wait, just see. In the end of the video, I will show the cabinet, okay? It's really cool, trust me. It supports two fan in the rear, two fan in the top and two fan in the bottom, which is really cool because the AIO is only two fan. And then the next thing we need is the cooling fans. I have searched it, but a single fan is like 6,000. If you have an extra budget, you can buy this Infinity look. It's the best look you can give for the cabinet. Okay, just trust me. That's the best you can buy. And I've searched and I got this. I guess it's better because I'm gonna buy this. For those who are wondering how the cabinet looks, here, see this. It looks great, right? Like in the stock image, it is very bad, but the customer review, it looks really really cool, bro. Like see it yourself. Like I can't even express the difference between the stock and the review. See this? Okay, if you have any doubt, any other budget like under 50k, just comment and I'll answer the questions and put a video. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm new to this YouTube stuff. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.